So right now, Morello going up against Mandaligo.
It's going to be a loud one. Oh, he buried it. Man, that was a bunch of popping and banging. Looked like lane 1. How do you know they're calling lane 2? Where's the orange arrow?
So
Oh.
now, Cody Hawkins, lane 1, against Joe Lesniak, lane 2. Cody Hawkins, lane 1. Lesniak, lane 2.
Huh?
Charge my laptop.
Yep, now's a good time.